To DJH Prestige and Sports, we've just acquired this lovely GLA diesel. It's in stunning condition, metallic grey, lovely alloy wheels, privacy glass to the rear. It's got a lot of specification on this car. Rear park distance control, does have a rear camera as well. So it's in lovely condition throughout. Electronic tailgate, full leather interior, electric windows, electric mirrors, inside the car, done 103,960 miles. It's got cruise control, paddle shift on the gearbox. We've got satellite navigation, reverse camera. It only flickers because of shutter speed on the camera. There's no issues with it. 3-stage heated seats, air conditioning, multifunction steering wheel, auto headlights. Really is in lovely condition. DJH have full dealer facilities, including finance, warranty and part exchange. For any further information, please give us a call on 07503 751 005. Thank you.